Was there any other candidate that asked you to run with them?
Wala naman, Attorney Karen. Although I told Yorme this, that kung hindi siyang nagtanong sa akin para maging vice-alkalde niya, malamang hindi ako papayag. I'm not here for the position. I am here to support the man because I believe in him and I believe that in supporting Yorme, Isko Moreno, Dumagoso, I am supporting mga Manileños.
How did this tandem happen? We remember years ago, your father, Mayor Atienza or Lito Atienza, ran as the vice president of Manny Pacquiao. And right now, you have Isko and you as a tandem. How did that get formed?
What do you mean? Okay.
How did that idea come about for you to be the vice mayor?
No, I think it's providential. It's providential. Umiikot lang ako sa Manila. And ever since na ang Buhay Party List has been there, because I've been heavily helping my dad behind the scenes, nalaman ko yung problema ng mga Manileños. So ikot lang ako ng ikot, inaalam ko mga problema nila as much as possible kung kaya kong solusyonan dahil yung trabaho ko rin naman is national government. So marami ako nagiging kaibigan doon, tumutulong ako. Pero nung napansin ni Yorme yata ito, na medyo aktibo ko sa Maynila, nakita niya ako bilang kanyang tandem. Akala ko una, ang aking kapatid si Ali Atienza will be running as his vice mayor. And behind the scenes, I was actually guiding, helping my brother kasi matagal na akong umiikot at hindi ako natigil umikot sa Maynila, even during the pandemic. Kasi nga, as a director of Kababayan ng Maynila, nagtuturo kami ng Livelihood for All. And habang nagtuturo kami, inaalam ko yung kwento ng bawat barangay. So all along, I thought si Ali ang tatakbo. But then, he prayed to the Lord and asked the Lord for a sign if he was the one meant to be with Yorme. And mukhang yung sign na hiningi niya, ibinigay na hindi siya ang running mate. So nung tinurn down na niya at sinabi yung susuporta na lang ako sa'yo behind the scenes, sinabi ni Yorme, tinanong ni Yorme kung pwedeng ako ang tumakbo. Hindi ako pumayag kaagad dahil naniniwala ako na kailangan i-angkla ko sa Panginoon ang mga desisyon ko. So ang sinabi ko kay Yorme, kay Isko Moreno, na Dumagoso, na magdadasal muna ako, bigyan ako ng panahon para kausapin ng Panginoon. And he gave me that, and the Lord gave me all the signs that I asked from him. And looking back, I realized it's my destiny to be where I am at this point.